Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will be showing you how to add CSS to HTML. There are three ways to add the CSS to the HTML. One is inline CSS, second one is internal CSS, and third one is external CSS. So we'll see inline CSS first. I have index.html file and where I have one single div. Here I will show you how to add inline CSS. We add inline CSS to the element using style attribute. Here I am adding style to the div. Style is attribute and I am adding background color green and color I will add yellow. And here I will write text inline CSS. So right click and open with live server. You can see inline CSS and where background color green is applied and for color yellow is applied. So this is the way to add the inline CSS using style attribute. So one will prefer inline styles when you want to add unique style to the element. The next one, internal CSS. So here I will add one more div. So internal CSS means we will write class based or element based or ID based CSS and refer them to the elements wherever required. And we can write that using the style element in the head section. We need to write whatever the CSS code in between this style starting and closing tag. Here I will write, so I will give the ID div internal and I will write ID based. How to write ID based CSS? Using the hash and give the ID name. And then I give background color yellow and color green. Now if you go and see, you can see background color yellow is applied and color green applied. Now we'll see how to add external CSS to the HTML. So whenever you have very less lines of CSS code, that time you can prefer internal CSS. But if you have more CSS code, then you should prefer external CSS, which means you have to write all your CSS code in separate CSS file and refer that CSS file in the HTML page. So how to do that? So what I do, I will add one more div here, div, and with the ID div external, and now I will create a new file and save it as app.css, and here I will write CSS for the div external. Oh sorry, I have applied this ID wrongly. Need to apply here and external CSS, and now you go and see nothing is applied. So text is visible but no style applied. So now what I have to do, I have to refer this app.css file in index.html page. So how to refer? You need to refer inside the head tag using the link element. Link rel equal to style sheet and href, and here you have to give the file name with the path. Since I am having the app.css and html index.html in the same page, so we no need to give any slash or like that. Now if I go and see, external CSS style has been applied to this div. So now I can see background and for color. So this is the three ways like inline style sheets you can write using the style attribute, and the internal CSS means using the style element you can write the internal CSS, and external CSS you can write the CSS code in separate CSS file and refer it using the link attribute. Now we'll see the priority, like which one will get highest priority. For example, here I have style, background color, green and everything applied for this. But if I give something here like say ID, and let's say I give div inline, and if I write CSS code here for that using let's say if I give background color red, and now I have written ID based CSS for this div and applied it, and with background color red. So will it take this background color green or this background color red? Means will it take the inline style or will it take the internal C style? So which one it will take? So go and see. Still you can see the green color only, and so it didn't apply the red color. So press F12 and bring up elements, and here you can see that when you select the div inline element, you can see background color green applied, color yellow applied, and you can see background color red. This class is there, but still it is striked out, means it is this property is not applied because it has given highest priority to the inline style where we have the background color green. If you go and see in this HTML, so it didn't give the priority to this. So inline CSS will be given highest priority. And now second thing like inline. So what I will do, we have div internal and background color yellow and color green. So I will take this and paste in the here div internal in external CSS. Instead of yellow I will give gray color. So this is in the external file. Now I go and see whether for the div internal, so this one, whether it will take the yellow color which is available in the internal CSS or gray color which is available in the external CSS. So which one it will take for the internal CSS, because we applied for the div internal. Here also we have written for the div internal. So if I go and see again, refresh, it automatically update actually, so you need to refresh, but still you can see background color yellow only is there and internal color green only there. And if you go and see here in the elements, select the div internal. Now you can see div internal is available in the indexed HTML where we have written as a internal CSS, and we have written the same class in the app.css, but it has taken this background color defined in the internal CSS. So it has given priority to this one, and external CSS given last priority. So here one thing we need to observe, we have referred this link means app.css before the style tag. So what will happen if I apply this one after the style tag? Because inside the head tag we can refer anywhere, whether before the style tag or after the style tag, it doesn't matter, because these two are different elements and you can refer this link before the style tag or after style tag. Referring this one after the style tag means after this div internal, so this app.css is also having the CSS code for the div internal ID. So now what will happen if you refer after the internal CSS? Now if you go and see gray color applied now. So instead of applying yellow color, it is applied gray color from the app.css. This is very important point to note that if you refer this external CSS after the internal CSS, then external CSS class or ID based CSS code will take the priority, because whenever the browser, whenever the CSS loads into the browser, so it will load like, the div internal classes, then it will load all the app.css classes. So whatever falls last, that will get the highest priority. This is all about how to add CSS to HTML. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching.